I'm just excited.
See, I'm a movie star. It's a movie star. There's Grammy's girl.
Look at that head.
Gee, it's perfect, Mommy. Just like me. Oh, I'm sorry,
It's
honey.
okay.
See, who's the best baby in the whole wide world? I almost said Molly is. Molly is.
That's a dog.
She's rooting. You want some more Mommy's milk? Still hungry?
You're lucky you weren't born tomorrow, because then you'd have a birthday every 4 years. You wouldn't be 2 until 8 years later. She's such a sweet girl.
She really is. Got such a beautiful disposition. I'm bashful. See, I'm so bashful.
I think she likes the blanket.
It feels good.
So I want to eat it. I love it so much.
Feel good. Yeah. It's like a puppy. Growing up with
She
puppies.
smiles. Isn't that funny? Is Grandma funny?
Grandma's scary, everybody says.
Yeah, Grandma is scary.
I'm not scary. We're going to be beach bums, me and you. You'll come every summer and spend a whole summer with me. Hee hee. We don't know yet. Bless!
Oh,
One more. One more.
God bless you. I'm so glad I just got that.
I know.
Now she's like, okay, I sneeze. I'm gonna get in
Life
bed.
is good.
We got
life-
your poopy diaper.
Life is so good on my first day of life. I'm almost 1 day old, Mommy.
What time is it? 5:24 or 5:25?
9 more hours, you'll be a day old.
Okay. Say bye, Layla.
Bye, Mommy.